2-pack reusable large pail liner bag for cloth diapers by Reusable is one of the best baby diaper pail liners products. Reusable large pail liner bag for cloth diapers or laundry. Water resistant, keeps moisture in. Reusable, economical and eco-friendly product. Easy care, machine wash warm or cold. Tumble dry lower hang to dry. No bleach or softeners. Generously sized 27 inches tall with a circumference of 54 inches. Multiple uses, store soiled cloth diapers, dirty laundry, wet swimsuits. Compatible with many pail liners or just plain 13-gallon trash can. Compatible with many types of diaper pails and easily fits in a 13-gallon waste can, not provided. Stretch to fit elastic keeps Reusable pail liner in place. Designed to hold 20-25 cloth diapers or full load of laundry. Reusable pail liner is approximately 27 inches tall with a circumference of 54 inches. Reusable pail liner keeps your hands clean while you empty diapers into the washer. Wash the liner right along with your diapers. Pack of 2 liners so you can rotate them in the wash. Reusable pail liner is made of a water-resistant polyurethane-coated material. Eco-friendly option for storing soiled cloth diapers, wet swimsuits or dirty laundry. Easy care, machine wash warm or cold. Tumble dry lower hang to dry. No bleach or softeners.